Thanks for stopping into the Perfect Storm Trading YouTube channel. Go to our website, perfectstormtrading.com. If you would like a chance to win a free copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Package, go to our website. You will get a pop-up box on the front page. You can drop your first name and your email in, send it to us. We will send you one email back with instructions on how to enter the contest. We will not spam your email, nor will we pass your email on to anyone else. So if you want to get a shot at getting into this contest, go to perfectstormtrading.com and sign up on our website. Good morning, everybody. It is Friday the 13th of August, early in the morning. What I'm going to do here is show you the pH chart for today. I'm taking 3 points for projection, so I'm going to show you those first. So what I've got here from the overnight, I took this low from about 2015 last night, the first high at 2230, and then we had a lot of movement inside of those 2 points, so we had a lot of inside chop. I don't want to project any of that, and then I'm going to project from the what's been the overnight high so far from about 5:12 a.m. So these are all the method 2 projections. So we'll take a look at these first, and then I'll drop the method 1 in right after that. I didn't want to confuse the chart since there's a lot of lines here already. So I'm able to get 2 projections off of the first one. So off the low, I've marked the vertical line. I draw the red trend line to tie it together. So the first projection took us to this very minor high here, which was again basically inside of a triangle, so I wouldn't take that as a signal. And then the second projection is moving out to here. It's blue block and P2 to purple P1, and that's going to be coming in at about 838. The next one was off of this high, 2230 last night. That connects to the first connection was here at 427, which gave us this low, and then we can project that again to the 1149 frame. So we've got that one. And then I took lastly the overnight high. That's going to give us one projection later. This was from the high that came in about 509, and that's projecting out to about 1258 this afternoon. 1258 for the last projection. So for the normal pH projections, we've got first one's in that minor high right there. I'm going to pop the vertical lines on the chart. The second one is coming 709. Then the end of the segment 1036. Then we've got the 2 more for the afternoon. First one's going to be between about 209 and 216. And then the last pH projection for today will be at 1514 in the afternoon, 3:15 this afternoon. Last one of the day. We've got some downward pressure on the Astro Excel, so we're going to be looking at that. We've got downward pressure, and then we've got some cross current in the afternoon. But the green line is turned sharply down. Here's the chart. You can see we kind of had continued to track the blue line for the most part through yesterday. We peaked out here. The downward pressure started, but the market traded up with the green line, made a peak right at a few hours after the green line. Looks like now it's rolling over. Both lines are down till about 8:07. The green line is down hard and then flattens out this afternoon at about 1 o'clock or so. The blue line is trading up from 8:05 to about 9:40 right after the open. Then it starts to flatline, and then it picks up and has a sharp move up from about 125 to the close. So we've got downward pressure on both to this point here at about a little bit after 8 o'clock today. Then we're going to have cross current. But we do have down pressure as the blue line flattens out. So after 9:30, I expect the pressure to be down at least until about 120, because the green line's down and the blue line is flat, and then the blue line is going to make a sharp move up while the green line flattens out. That should give us some bullish pressure in the afternoon. So that's how I'm reading that chart for today. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll be back again with another video tomorrow. We'll review the daily turning points for the rest of the month and see what we got coming up with that. So we will see you again. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, and sign up for notifications on the YouTube channel. Thank you.